Timo?
No.
Timo? Oh no, he got quiet. I think he got angry. Okay. That was a bad idea.